Welcome to English Center Kids English class. Today I'm going to talk about the preschool worksheets. In my previous video I talked about the alphabet. මං හිතන්නේ අපේ දුවලා පුතාලා අපේ පළවෙනි වීඩියෝ එක බැලුවා. ඒකේ මම පැහැදිලි කරා පුතාලට alphabet එක A to Z වෙනකන්. අද අපි කතා කරන්නේ කොහොමද පුතාලා මේ worksheets ටික කරන්නේ කියලා. preschool එකේ worksheets අපි කොහොමද කරන්නේ? දැන් බලමු. මේ බලන්න පුතාලා අපේ පළවෙනි worksheet එක. Now see this first worksheet. Here capital letters are given and the simple letters are given. You have to match capital letter and the simple letter and paste it in your book. Okay, I hope your parents will help you to cut down these letters. මං හිතනවා අදලා දෙමව්පියෝ මේක කපලා අපේ දරුවන්ට දෙයි කියලා. හැබැයි මේ අකුරු එයාලටම හොයන්න දෙන්න උනේ. ඔයාලා උදව් කරන්න එපා. හරි. අපේ දෙමව්පියන් දැන් මේ වගේ කපලා පුතාලට ලෑස්ති කරලා දෙන්න ඕනේ ලස්සනට අලවන්න. Now what you have to do is, children, you have to find from the first letter. What is the first letter? It is A. What is the first letter? It is A letter. Okay, children, take capital letter first and paste it in the top corner of your book. Then you have to find the simple A letter. In here, simple letters in this side, I'll take the simple A letter and paste it next to the capital A letter. Like this. Capital A, simple A. You have to match capital and simple and paste. We'll do one more example. Now I'll find the next letter B. A after B. Very good. Capital B. Now find the simple B letter here, children. Yes, this is the simple B letter. Capital B, simple B. Understood? After B, what is there? A, B. What is the next letter, children? C. Very good. Capital C. Can you see the simple C letter here? Yes, this is simple C. Capital C, simple C. Okay, understood how to do this activity? Now what you have to do, you have to match capital letter and simple letter and paste it along the book. Okay, children, come to our next activity sheet. You are given the alphabet A, B, C, D in order to Z. What you have to do is, you have to paste one picture and draw one picture here which starts with the first letter. Okay, now for example C. What is the first letter, children? Tell me louder. I can't hear. Yes, A letter. What's the sound of A letter? A. What's the sound? A. Then here we are going to paste a picture begins with A sound. Do you know any words begin with A? Yes, here I have ant. A, ant. Let's paste the picture now, children. Now I'm going to draw one picture here begins with A. Do you know what am I drawing? Just guess it. What is it, children? Yes, apple. Do you like apple? You should draw the picture and color it nice. Don't take your parents' help. You just ask them to find and give you the pictures and you do it yourself. See the next one. What is this letter? B. B, B. I'm going to paste a bug. Okay. Now see, children. B, bug. What are the B letter words you know? I like to draw a ball. Do you like balls? I like to draw a ball. Let's see. And you have to color it nice. You should draw a picture and color it nice. Okay, children, I hope you understood how to do this activity. There are 3 pages of this activity. Complete all yourself. Now see, children, how to do this activity. Here, I told you A, B, C, like the letters are given and some words are given here. Now let's see how to do this first part. See here, children, this is the A letter part you have in your worksheet. What is this picture? Yeah, it's an apple. What's the first letter of apple? Can you see? A. Yes, you have to trace on this dotted line here. Okay, then go to the next picture. What is this? Whale. Yes, what is the first letter? W. Whale. You have to write capital W letter and simple W letter. Next, aeroplane. Can you see? Aeroplane A. Then we have to trace on this A letter. Capital A and simple A. Next, what is this animal? A bug. What is the first letter, children? B. Capital B and simple B. What is this animal? Ant. What is the first letter? A. Ant. Capital A, simple A. What is the last picture? Lemon. L. First letter is L. Lemon. Capital L and simple L. Now you know how to do this activity. Let's see what are these pictures. See this first box, children. What is this? Apple. What is it? Apple. What is this? Whale. Whale. What is it? Whale. What is this one? Aeroplane. What is it? Aeroplane. What is this picture? Yes, it's a bug. Ladybug. This one? Ant. Kumbia. Lemon. This one? Lemon. Dehi. Let's go to the next one. What is this? Crane. කොකාට අපි කියනවා පුතේ crane කියලා. Crane. Bus. Ball. Bee. මීමැස්සා. Bee. Xylophone. What is it? Xylophone. What is this last animal? It is a bird. Yes, bird. Next one. Cow. Yacht. Yacht කියන්නේ මොකක්ද පුතාලා? Well, never. Yacht. Cake. Orange. Yo-yo. Cat. You should repeat what I said. මං කියන එක පුතාලා නැවත මට පස්සේ කියන්න ඕනේ. You should repeat it, children. Okay, children. See this one. What is it? Mango. What is it? Mango. What is this animal? Donkey. What is it? Donkey. This one? Apple. What is it? Apple. Now see this. A cute bird. Yes, it's a duck. What is this, children? A duck. What is this one? Nest. Nest. Kudua. Nest. This one? Doll. What is it? Doll. Okay, now come to this one. What is this one? You like this lot? Yes, it's an egg. 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 Elephant. What is this animal? Elephant. This one? It's a violin. Yes, you are correct. It's a violin. Now, what is this, children? It's a feather. And also we can say quill. Feather. If not, quill. What is this one? Eye. What is it? Eye. Show me your eye. Good. Now see this. Quail. What is this bird? Quail. Okay, come to the last box in this line. What is this animal? Very colorful and beautiful. You like it lot. Yes, it's a fish. Tell louder. Fish. What is it? Fish. Rainbow. Very beautiful. Can you see there are many colors? Rainbow. Tell louder. Rainbow. Flower. What is this? Flower. What color is the flower? Yellow. Now see this animal. It walks very slow. What is it? Snail. Tell Putala louder. Snail. Golubella. Snail. Frog. What is this animal? Frog. This one? Zebra. What is this animal? Zebra. Well done, children. Now see this one. What is this? Yeah, it's a guitar. Yes, a red color guitar. Guitar. Next one. Goat. What is this animal? Goat. What is this one? Zip. What is it? Zip. Zipper. What is in our jersey? Yes, zip. Next, monkey. What is this animal? Monkey. This one, yak, a kind of cow. Yak. Giraffe. What is this animal? Giraffe. It has a long neck. Giraffe. Tell louder. Giraffe. Good. Now, come here. Next box. What is this one? You wear it in your hand. Watch. What is this, children? Watch. This one? Hanger. What is it? Hanger. We can hang our clothes in this. Hanger. This one? Umbrella. Good. What is it? Umbrella. This one? Hat. You wear it on your head. Hat. Nice. Okay. Hen. What is it? Hen. It gives eggs. What is this animal? Pig. What is it? Pig. Okay. Come to this one. What is this first animal? Uriel. Yes. Just like a goat. But we call it Uriel. Tell louder. Uriel. See the first letter? U. What is this animal? Rabbit. Tell louder. Rabbit. This one? Island. Again tell me. Island. This one? Iguana. What is it? Iguana. What is the animal iguana? Iguana කියන්නේ කවුද පුතාලා? තලගොයා. Iguana. Tell all of you. Iguana. This one? Tiger. What is this animal? Tiger. Good. This one? Igloo. Igloo. Yes, it's a kind of house. Igloo. Okay, children. Come to the next one. Next page. The first one is, can you see? J letter. J sound. Yes. What is this animal? Jaguar. What is it? Jaguar. Tell louder. Jaguar. Just like a tiger. Jaguar. Jaguar. What is it? Pen. Pen. Okay. What is this, children? Mat. What is the mat? අපි පැදුරටත් mat කියනවා, carpet එකටත් mat කියනවා. Mat. Mat. Then what is this? Juice. Do you like juice? Yes, we like orange juice. Yes, then juice. Juice. Next one? Owl. Owl. Last one? Jigsaw. Puzzle. අපි කැලි එකතු කරලා හදන්නේ රූප හදනවා, වචන හදනවා. අපි එකට කියනවා ප්‍රහේලිකාව කියලා. Jigsaw. What is it, children? Jigsaw. Jigsaw. Next one? Like a panda. Panda වගේ හැබැයි අපි මෙයාට කියනවා koala. What is it? Koala bear. Have you heard? Koala. Okay. Next one? Kangaroo. It can jump. There's a baby in its pouch. Kangaroo. What is it? Kangaroo. Tell louder. Ant. A black ant is here. Ant. What is this? Tree. Kite. Sarungalaya. Kite. Kite. Bus. Bus. Next one? Ball. What is it? Tell louder. Ball. Aeroplane. Aeroplane. Leaf. කොළය නේද? Leaf. ගස්වල කොළ. Leaf. Lemon. What is this, children? Lemon. Ladybug. I told you earlier, bug if not ladybug. අපි කියනවා මෙතන ladybug කියලා. Ladybug. Cake. Cake. You have to write only the first letter. Now see this. What is this jumping animal? Monkey. Very good. Monkey. Monkey. This one? Whale. Whale. Here, can you see the first letter? This one? What is whale, children? Whale කියන්නේ කවුද? තල්මසා. තල්මහට කියනවා අපි whale කියලා. This one? Mouse. අපි දන්න mouse ද මේ ඉන්නේ? නෑ. computer එකේ, laptop එකේ තියෙන mouse එක. ඔව්, computer එකේ තියෙන mouse එක තමයි මේ තියෙන්නේ. Mouse. Mouse. It's the computer mouse. Okay. This one? Bee. What is it? Bee. It collects honey. Bee. This one? Mango. Yummy mango. Mango. This one, duck. Quack, quack, duck. Duck, duck. Good. Now see the next one. What is this? Cow. What is it? Cow. What is this bird? Nightingale. It can sing nicely. Nightingale. Tell louder putala. Nightingale. Good. This is elephant. Elephant. Nest. Nest. Pig. Pig. Do you tell with me? ඔයාලා මාත් එක්ක කියනවද? හයියෙන් කියන්න ඕනේ. Pig. Nurse. What is it? Nurse. See children, there's a nurse aunt. Nurse. Nurse. Okay, next one. Yes. See the bird? Quail. What's the name of this bird? Quail. Quail. Watch. Watch. This one? Octopus. Octopus. See, it has many legs. It lives in the sea. Octopus. Tell louder. Octopus. Next, owl. Owl. First letter is O. This one, orange. Do you like orange juice? Me too. I like orange. This one, zebra. Zebra. What is the first letter? Z. You have to write capital Z letter and simple Z letter. Zebra. See the next one, children. This P letter. First one, pen. You know it well. Pen. Pen. This one, pig. Pig. This one, kite. Kite. This side, frog. Frog. This one, pencil. Tell louder, children. Pencil. Do you have a pencil? Yes. Pencil. Okay. Next one. What is the last? Tiger. Tiger. Okay. Next one, children. See. Uriel. We learn the new animal. Uriel. Just like a goat but not a goat. Uriel. What is it? Uriel. This one, tree. What is it? Tree. This one, quilt. What is it? Quilt. Quilt. පුතාලා දන්නවද quilt කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? අම්මලා අර පැඩින් තියලා මැහුවාම ලස්සනට ඉසිලා තියෙන්නේ අපි ඒකට කියනවා quilt. අපේ බෙඩ් ෂීට් වල cushion cover වල තියෙනවා නේද? Quilt. What is it? Quilt. Good. This one, quail. What is it? Quail. What is it? Quail. Okay. This one, zip. Good. What is it? Zip. Zipper. Zip. The last one, see? Quill. අපිට මේකට feather කියන්නත් පුළුවන්. කුරුළු පිහාටුව. පිහාටුවට අපි කියනවා feather නැත්නම් quill. Quill. Tell louder. Quill. Well done. Now here. What is it? Hen. Hen. First letter is H. Capital H and simple H you have to write here. Hen. This one, rat. Rat. Rainbow. What is it? Rainbow. Very beautiful. Rainbow. Where can you see the rainbow? Yes, in the sky. Rainbow. This one, umbrella. When it is raining, you take it and go. Umbrella. වහිනකොට පුතාලා අරන් යනව නේද? Next one, rabbit. What is this animal? Rabbit. Very cute animal. Rabbit. Tell louder. Rabbit. Kangaroo. Again, kangaroo. It can jump. Okay, children. We have come to the last page now. What is this? Snail. Tell louder. Snail. Lemon. Lemon. Sock. You wear it in your legs. සපත්තු දානකොට පුතාලා මේව දානව නේද? Mace. Socks. What is it? Socks. Next one, sheep. Batalua. Sheep. It gives us wool. Sheep. Sir begin. First letter is sir. We can say sheep. Okay. Aeroplane. Bug. What is it? Bug. තව නමක් කියන්න මෙයාට. Ladybug. Very good. Now see. Cake. Cake. පුතාලා කියනවා නේද මාත් එක්ක? You should repeat it now. Cake. Tiger. What is it? Tiger. Bus. What is it? Bus. This one? Tree. What is it, children? Tree. Bear. What is that? Bear. Last one? Train. Have you ever gone in a train? Train. Coachier. Train. Okay. See the next side. What is this animal? Uriel. I told you earlier. Uriel. Flower. What is it? Flower. This one? Where is he? මේ කොහෙද මේ පිරිමි ළමයා ඉන්නේ? Where is he? Under. යට ඉන්නේ. Under. Mango. What is this? Mango. Umbrella. Tell me. Umbrella. Last one. Yo-yo. Very good. Yo-yo. Okay, children. Now see. V letter. Igloo. What is this one? Igloo. Igloo is a house. Igloo. Violin. Violin. Here, volleyball. It's a ball. Ball එකක් තමයි. හැබැයි ඒක volleyball නේද? Volleyball. Here, what is this animal? Vulture. Vulture කියන්නේ කවුද? Vulture කියන්නේ ගිජු ලිහිණියට vulture. What is this, children? Hat. What is it? Hat. Orange. Oh, orange. Whale. Whale. Guitar. Guitar. You should write the first letter. Iguana. Iguana. මං කාටද iguana කිව්වේ? තලගොයා. Ant. Ant. Watch. We wear it in our hand. Watch. Window. ජනේලය. Window. Okay, next one. Xylophone. First letter is X. Xylophone. මම පුතාලට මුලින්ම කිව්ව මේ bird කෙනෙක් කියලා. හැබැයි ඒ කුරුල්ලගේ නම තමයි Xenopus. X. Xenopus. Bird. Xenopus. X letter. This one? Ball. Ball. Egg. Apple. You know it is an apple. Apple. Xmas. What is this? Xmas. If not, we know Christmas tree. Christmas tree, you know, we can say Xmas. Okay. Now the last two letters we have to complete. What is this one, children? Juice. Juice. Quail. Tell louder. Quail. Again. Quail. What is this one, children? Yacht. Yacht. Rual never. Yak. Yak. A kind of cow. Yo-yo. What is it? Yo-yo. You can play with this. අපි මේකෙන් සෙල්ලම් කරනවා. Kite. 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 Last. Where is this animal? Yes, it's in the zoo. Zoo. Tell all of you. Zoo. This one? Feather. If not, quill. Feather. Feather. Zip. Zip. Monkey. Monkey. Putala, you should repeat with me. මාත් එක්ක කියනවා නේද? Good. Owl. Owl. Zebra. Zebra. Okay, I think you understood this lesson. Children, practice it, okay? Okay, children, now come to our next working sheet. It is about alphabet writer. Now, in this one, what you have to do is, you have to write the simple letters. Putala understood? Write the simple letter. See, capital A is given. You have to write simple letters. Good. Now, see the second one. Here, the capital B is there. We are going to write now simple letter. Let's see. See, children, I am going to write the simple B letter here. B. Can you see? Capital A, simple A. Capital B, simple B. Here you have to write capital C, simple C. Now let's write simple letters. What is it? What is this letter? Capital A. Now I'm going to write simple A. Simple A. Next one, capital B, simple B. Capital C, simple C. capital D, simple D. Capital E, simple E. Can you see? Okay children, I think you understood how to do this. මං හිතන්නේ පුතාලට මේක තේරුණා. capital ලකුර තියෙනකොට අපි මේ පැත්ත ලියන්න ඕනේ simple ලකුර. Okay පුතාලා, come to our next working sheet. It's again writing worksheet, writing alphabet worksheet. Now here what you have to do is, simple letter is given. You have to write the capital letter. Simple A, capital A. Simple B, capital B. Did you see now? Yes, that's how you have to do this activity. Simple C, you have to write big C letter. Practice this children. Now let's see some of the letters. What is this letter? Simple A. Now you have to write the capital A letter. Okay. Next. Here simple B. You are going to write capital B. Good. Simple C. Here you have to write capital C. Okay. Simple D. You have to write capital D. Likewise, you have to do in your activity sheet. Putala, here again, we are going to do alphabet practice in this working sheet also. පුතාලට මේකෙත් අපි alphabet එකමයි practice කරන්නේ. පුතාලා මේ pitch එක බලන්න ඕනේ. pitch එකේ නම දන්නවද කියලා බලන්න ඕනේ. ඒකේ පළවෙනි අකුර අපි මේ box එකේ ලියනවා. Take your parents help. අම්මිලගෙන් උදව් ගන්න. හැබැයි මොකද්ද අකුර කියලා අහන්න එපා. Okay. Now see. And a. What is this one? Bag. Then we have to write B. Okay. Bag. Next picture. C. Cat. Cur. Next one. Dog. D. Okay. Next. Egg. Egg. What is this one children? Fan. We can write F. Fan. Okay, this one gun. Gun. Did you see? Okay. Next, hen. What is it? Hen. What is this one children? Eyes. Then eyes. Next, jam. Jam. Next one, kid. Kid. Next one, leg. Show me your leg. පුතාලගේ leg එක පෙන්නන්න. Good. Leg. What is this picture children? Mug. Mug. Very good. Now see the next side. What is the first picture? Net. Net. Next one, oil. Oil. Next one, pig. Pig. Okay, see this picture children. What is it? Yes, it's a queen. Queen. Again, queen. Next, rat. Rat. Okay, see this one children. What is it? Sun. Sun. Next, tap. Next one, upside. Yes, then we have to write up. Next one, van. Next one, wax. ඉටිපන්දමේ මොනවද පුතාලා අර පල්ලෙහාට එන්නේ දිය වෙලා? අපි කියනවා ඉටිපන්දම් කිරි කියලා. ඒකට කියනවා අපි wax. What is it? Wax. Wax. Next, X-ray. What is it? X-ray. See the next one? Yes, yak. We learned that picture earlier. Yak. Yak. Next one, zip. Zip. Okay පුතාලා, මං හිතනවා පුතාලට මේක කරන විදිහ තේරුණා. හැම පින්තූරයකම පළවෙනි අකුර පුතාලා මෙතන ලියන්න ඕනේ. You have to write the first letter of each picture. Okay children, now this is our last activity sheet. Let's see how to practice this one. දෙමව්පියනි මේක දීලා තියෙන්නේ බබාලට වචන හුරු වෙන්න. මේකේ අපිට ස්පෙලිංග්ස් ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කිරීම අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. මොකද බබාලා තාම ප්‍රී ස්කූල් එකේ නිසා. ඒ හින්දා එයාලට මේ වචනය කියලා දෙන්න, ඒකේ තේරුම කියලා දෙන්න. ඒකට අදාළ පින්තූරයක් අලවන්න බැරි නම් පින්තූරයක් අඳින්න. Now, what is the first one? 1. Then I'm going to draw number 1 here. 1. Let's see another example. Okay, here fish. You have to draw a picture of a fish, or if not, you can paste a picture of a fish. Understood? Now let's see, children, what's our vocabulary? What is this? Number 1. What is it? 1. Say all of you louder. 1. What is this number? Number 2. Show me 2 fingers. 2. Say 2 and show me. 2. Good. 3. What is this number, children? 3. Show me 3 fingers. 3. Good. 4. What is this number? Number 4. Show me 4 fingers now. 4. Next one. 5. Very good. Tell me again. 5. Now show me 5 fingers. 5. Tell louder. 5. 6. What is this number, children? 6. Now show me 6 fingers. 6. Let's see this number. Yeah, it's 7. What is this number? 7. What's the number? 7. Show me 7 fingers. 7. Yes, very good. What is this number, children? 8. 8. 8 fingers now. Good. 8. What's this number? 9. Very good. You know that. Number 9. Tell louder, children. 9. What's the number? 9. Now show me 9 fingers. Good. What's this number? 10. Good. Show me 10 fingers. Yes, we have 10 fingers in our hand. 10. Tell me louder. 10. Good job. Now let's go to the next picture. Now we are going to learn about our body parts. Do you know what are the body parts in our body? Let's see. What are these? Eyes. Touch eyes, touch eyes, touch eyes. Very good. Eyes. What is it? Eyes. Okay, good. Now what is this? Mouth. What is it? Mouth. What is here middle? Teeth. Tell me. Teeth. Show me your teeth. Beautiful. Now next, what is this? Ear. What is it? Ear. Touch your ear. Good. Now, what is this? Hand. What is it? Hand. Well done. Now, what is this? Nose. Touch your nose. Touch your nose. Very good. It's nose. Tell me. Nose. What is this? What are these, children? Toes. Kakule angili. Toes. What are these? Toes. What is this? Finger. What is it? Finger. Good. What is this one? Leg. What is it? Leg. Very good. Now can you tell the body parts in your body? Yes, you know from here. What is this one? Head. What is it? Head. What is here? Face. What is this? Face. Head. Face. Eyes. Nose. Mouth. Ears. Hand. Leg. Well done. What is our next word? Where is this? Yeah, it's a house. Tell me louder. House, house, house. Tell me. House, house, house. What is this big animal? Yes, it's an elephant. Tell me again. Elephant. Again. Elephant. What is this animal? Rabbit. Very good. Rabbit. Tell me again, Putala. Rabbit. Do you know what is this beautiful bird? It's green color. Very good, you know. It's a parrot. What is it? It's a parrot. Again, it's a parrot. Parrot. That's a dangerous animal. Do you like it? I'm scared of it. Yes, it's a tiger. What is it? Tiger. Tell me. Tiger, tiger, tiger. Tell again. Tiger, tiger, tiger. Good. There's another roaring animal. What's it? Lion. Tell me. Lion. What is it? Lion. Can you roar like a lion? Roar. Can you? Yes. What is this beautiful animal? It's a bird. Tell me, children. Bird. Repeat it again. Bird. What is it? Bird. It can fly. There's another beautiful animal. It can swim. Can you guess? Very good. It's the fish. Again, fish. There's another big animal. Bear. What is it, children? Bear. Again, tell me. Bear. What is this, our last animal? Wow, you know. Cow. What is this animal? Cow. Again, cow. Again, cow. It gives us milk. Yes, we drink milk from the cows. Cow. What is it? Cow. Very good, children. Now, we have done lots of activities in this video, and join with us in our next video. Subscribe this channel. Don't forget it. අමතක නොකර මේ වීඩියෝ එක subscribe කරන්න. ඔයාලට ඊළඟ වීඩියෝස් උත් බලන්න පුළුවන් වෙයි.